Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video it's gonna be a tutorial about Capcut again. And through this video I would like to show to you the way how to remove emojis from your video clip on Capcut. So the first thing you have to do, open your Capcut application and remember which project that containing the emoji. So here I would like to give you an example, the editing for beginner. Here if you open it, we can see here there is an emoji symbols here, but then we have no clue how do we remove those emoji from the video clip. So there is no the emoji clip or the emoji section on this project. So to activating the emojis clip, you just need to go back, and after that go click this text tools or text features, and whenever you click it, this section of the emoji will be pop up on your screen. And to remove it, you just need to go click this section, and you can do either directly click this X button right here, or you can also just delete by click this delete button, and those emoji will be disappear. But then how the way if you want to moving the emoji, so you just need to go click the emoji section, and you just need to right away click with one hand the emoji and then drag it into the specific part that you want to have. So that's the way how to remove emoji. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.